Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code Like Him. Guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's see today's problem. Construct list using XOR queries. There is an array that initially contains only a single value 0, given a list of queries of size q, where each query is of one of the following types: 0x. 0 means the first element of the vector, x means the integer. Insert x into the array 1x. Replace every element a in the array with a XOR x, where the XOR denotes the bitwise XOR operator. Return the array in a sorted order after performing all the queries. In this question, we are giving the queries, which is n vector of vectors. The first part of the vector is the operation. If it is 0, it means we need to insert x. If it is 1, we need to XOR all the elements in the array with x. So let's look at the example here. We have 0, 6, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 1, 4 and 1, 5. 0, 6 means initially we have 0 in the array. 0, 6 means we need to add 6 in the array. So the list will becomes 0 and 6. 0, 3 means add 3. 0, 2 means add 2. 1, 4 means XOR all the values in the array by 4. So after XORing all the values, we get this array. 1, 5 means XOR all the values in the array by 5. But if we use brute force approach here, it will give us time limit exceeded, because for every value in the array we are performing for a few queries we are performing iterating over every value in the array. So it will be n square, and it might give time limit exceeded. So what we can do it, instead of inserting elements in the array and then XORing if one comes, why don't we traverse the queries in the backward direction? For example, we have 1, 5. It means we can maintain a variable current XOR, which help us to finding out the current XOR we need to do for all the elements in the array. So let's see the example here. 1, 5, it means we need to do XOR by 5. 1, 4 means we need to XOR by 4. So if we XOR 5 by 4, we can get the net XOR. 0, 2 means we need to insert 2. So before inserting 2, we need to XOR it by 4 and 5. Or we can say that after inserting 2, we need to XOR it 4 and 5. But if we are traveling in the reverse direction, we can say that after we have this current variable XOR, and we can XOR 2 by this 4 and 5 and then insert in the array. And similarly, we can XOR 4 and 5 with 3 and 6, and in the end with 0 else also, because we have initially 0 in the array. Let's look at the code here. The res variable will be declared as res vector int res. Size of queries will be n, and current XOR will be 0. We will traverse backward from the array. We find the queries. P will be the vector of queries of I. Operation will, if operation equals to 0, it means we need to do XOR. We need to insert into the array. Before inserting, we will be doing current XOR into the current value. And then we will insert it into the res. Else, what we are going to update our current XOR by x. And the end, we are doing XOR 0, current XOR 0, because initially we have 0 in the array. So after traveling all the way towards the end, we need to do XOR of 0 with 0. And in the end, we will just sort the array and just return. Time complexity will be n log n, because we are sorting the array, and space complexity will be big O of n if we consider this res. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.